In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Squarespace. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to accomplish this on your own. Let's dive right in. First, let's make our way over to Squarespace. If you're not already on the website, make sure you've logged in so you're ready to get started. Once there, you'll see an option to Get Started. This is your onboarding process, so go ahead and click on that. It's essentially your starting point where Squarespace guides you to the dashboard after you've logged in. Now from the dashboard, you'll want to enter Edit mode. Look for the Edit Site button and click it. This allows you to make changes to your website pages and content. Now, head to the specific page where you'd like to add your table. You should see your layout and any existing content here. Whether it's a blog post, a product page, or any other section of your site, navigate directly to the area where the table will be the most beneficial. To insert the table, you need to click on the plus Add Block button. This is how you can insert different types of content blocks into your page in Squarespace. You'll be greeted with numerous options, but what we're looking for here is the option labeled Code. Clicking on Code will insert a new blank block into your page. Now that you have your code block, a new field will appear where the contents of your upcoming code will be displayed. To begin adding your table, double-click in this space. You'll then see the coding field become visible, allowing you to enter or paste your HTML code for the table. Make sure to use valid HTML to define your table rows and columns, inputting each part carefully to ensure it displays correctly. After you've completed inputting your code, exit the coding field. Just clicking outside of it does the trick, and your table should preview on the page. This is the perfect moment to review your table, checking for any mistakes or typos in your code that might need correcting. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to click Save. Doing so ensures all your hard work gets preserved and your table remains a permanent feature on your Squarespace site. Once you hit that Save button, your newly inserted table becomes a part of your web page. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully inserted a table into your Squarespace page, enhancing the way you display information on your site. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Squarespace